How can you make your iPad better for reading? Let me show you some ways or options you have available. If you're new on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos similar to this one. So at first, I would go to the settings app of the iPad and then go to the display and brightness. So naturally, the light and the dark mode might go a long way, especially in like dark environments. So it like switches the background color. So just play with that. But the thing that I wanted to talk about is, first of all, the text size. A lot of people need or find it useful when they can adjust how large the text is. So you can bump up the size or make it lower, which will make it easier to read. But also that is the bold text, which doesn't change the size of the text, but like the thickness, right? It makes it bolder, which makes, it has better contrast. So it's technically easier to read, if that makes sense, right? Obviously, you also have like the brightness, which is pretty basic. And at the bottom, you also have the display zoom. So you might have it set to default or more space. More space makes everything zoomed out, so it can like fit more things into the screen, but it will make them smaller. So that's up to you to decide, but there is the option. And also you can go to the accessibility section of your settings, go to the display and the text size, and there is, for example, the increased contrast. That might also make things easier to read. And perhaps if you're interested, you can also browse the other settings here as well. But one more option, if you're browsing like a web or even reading a book, you can also change settings for that website or that content only. For example, in the Safari, tap on the button next to the URL and bump up the text size right away. So you don't do it for the whole iPad, but only for the websites or articles that you are currently reading. So that is how you can make it better for reading. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you as well in the next video. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.